Hello there, my gems. Today I'm doing something a little different for y'all. Just want to see what the weather's like. Okay, that's how the weather's like. Today I'm doing something a little different for y'all. I am giving you a day in the life of a Cosmo student. Meet Dylan. I gave him a shape up. This isn't amazing hair, so it doesn't look good, but who wants to let me practice on them? Volunteer, don't all jump too fast. So this is like birthday, what you call it? This is a birthday special. I'm getting birthday check. I look a little chunky. Again, thank you. Okay, everyone's like, you know, not everyone, just a selective few are texting me. Tell me happy birthday. I want a bougie lunch because it's my birthday. But I'm trying to save money because I'm trying to move out. So it's like a struggle. What do you do? I feel like I don't like it. I like day 1. Day 2 hair looks cute, but I don't always like day 2 hair. Alright, so we're just gonna sit here, probably make some tea because I have time. Happening here is I'm gonna sit here until my ride texts me. She texts me, she's on her way, so I'm gonna have to transport this into a different cup. Purplicious, she said happy birthday, Purplicious. Say hi to the YouTubers. What's up? Wow, that was terrible. Welcome. Get the
Alright, you guys can follow along in your book on chapter 18. It starts on page 528.
This is the boring part. We'll be back later.
Thank you. Doing a fishtail braid? What are you doing?
First of all, I tried to record as much as I could, but people got tubes and they won't let me be great. So I got what I could. So now we're on our lunch break, our crusty 30-minute lunch break. And I am gonna go to Food Town to get something to eat. Because I feel like the least I could do, it's my birthday. I want to eat something bougie. Kind of bougie. I really can't believe I did green. New hair, new me. No bougie. Probably just gonna get some freaking goldfish. I have food. I'm just gonna, you know, eat my whatever until later. I don't know. I'm very like, let me stay positive. That's what I'm gonna do. Stay positive. $3.99. Is that how much they are? Save $2. get some of that. Oh, $2 chips. Anyways, that's it. That's it. It's just not looking promising today. Not looking very promising at all. But it's okay because I don't know why it's okay, but it's okay. Get me my water and apple cider, and that's it. I spent my break shopping, and Lord, please help me get through this day because everyone's trying me. Everybody's trying me. I decided to leave school early. We're learning how to do French twist. Whoa. But I don't know. Kind of just wanted to be home to eat rice. And wow. Rice and veggies.